G'day campers, today we packed up the ute and headed to a little place called Mont Albion Station, a small price to pay for peace and quiet.
I packed up my truck, said goodbye to my phone, left it gone camping sign, now on my own. No meetings, no emails, no boss breathing down, just me and the pine trees. Far from the town, I'm gone camping, and the world can wait.
The campsites are a short distance to amenities, with a gas shower, nice and warm. Just be sure to check the temp and close that dunny lid. Dinner, they call it a hobo pack. Steak, potato, onions, prawns, herbs and spices wrapped in a heavy-duty alfoil. Put whatever you want in them really. Cook over the hot coals for about half an hour, and there you go, dinner is served. Good morning, it's 6 o'clock and this is the last day of camp.
And a sleeping bag swing.
Sun is slowly coming up.
And the world can wait. Got a campfire burning and a full dinner plate.
Say hello.
Stars keep me company. The moon lights my way.
Little one's still asleep in the tent this
This
morning.
tent of mine, I could live every day.
Follow my page for our next adventure. We look forward to seeing you there.